Picture this, you're out in the open, your drone slicing through the sky, adrenaline pumping, and suddenly, your video feed flickers, your controller beeps, and your heart skips a beat. If your drone loses signal before you lose sight, you're not flying long range, you're just flying nervous. That's not what we want. We want confidence, reliability, and the freedom to push the limits. Today, we're diving deep into the world of long-range FPV receivers, exploring the tech, the legends, and the new contenders. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or just getting started, understanding your receiver is the key to unlocking true long-range flight. So, let's fix that signal anxiety once and for all. Alright, drone racers, warehouse showdown time. Imagine the echo of propellers, the hum of transmitters, and the tension as pilots line up for the ultimate test. In these high-stakes environments, every millisecond counts, and your receiver can make or break your race. But what happens when you take the race outside, beyond the walls, into the wild? That's where long-range gear truly shines. Today, we're not just talking about who's fastest in a warehouse. We're talking about who can go the farthest, the fastest, and with the most confidence. When it comes to long-range FPV, there are two things that matter above all else: your control link and your video system. The control link is your lifeline. It's what keeps your drone listening to your every command no matter how far you push it. The video system is your eyes in the sky, letting you see every twist, turn, and obstacle in real time. Get either one wrong, and you're grounded. Get them both right, and the sky's the limit. But with so many options out there, how do you choose? Let's break down the contenders. For control, Team BlackSheep Crossfire is the OG, the original gangster of long-range FPV. Crossfire has been the backbone of countless record-breaking flights, trusted by professionals and hobbyists alike. Its secret? Ultra-reliable, low-latency communication even in the harshest environments. Crossfire modules are built tough, with robust error correction and frequency hopping that shrugs off interference. Whether you're skimming treetops or soaring over mountain ridges, Crossfire keeps you connected. It's not just a receiver, it's a legacy. It's rock solid, super reliable, and with the right setup, high-gain antennas, clean power, and a clear line of sight, Crossfire can go 30, even 50 kilometers. That's not just marketing hype. Pilots have proven it time and again, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Imagine flying from one side of a valley to the other or exploring remote landscapes that most people only see in photos. With Crossfire, you're not just flying, you're exploring, discovering, and expanding your world. If you want proven performance, the Crossfire Nano RX is still the gold standard. It's tiny, lightweight, and fits into even the smallest racing builds. But don't let its size fool you. This little receiver packs a punch. With full telemetry, robust fail-safe features, and seamless integration with most flight controllers, the Nano RX is the go-to choice for pilots who demand the best. It's the kind of gear you install once and trust forever. But wait, there's a new kid on the block, and it's making serious waves. ExpressLRS, or ELRs for short, is the open-source powerhouse that's taken the FPV world by storm. Designed by the community, for the community, ELRs is all about pushing the limits of range, speed, and flexibility. It's fast, it's powerful, and it's constantly evolving. If you love tinkering, tweaking, and squeezing every last drop of performance from your gear, ELRs is your playground. On 900 MHz, ExpressLRS has shattered expectations. Pilots have pushed 40, even 60 kilometers with rock-solid control and minimal dropouts. That's the kind of range that opens up new possibilities: cross-country flights, epic mountain dives, and exploration missions that were once unthinkable. ELRs isn't just about distance though. It's about giving you the tools to customize your link, adjust your power, and fine-tune your setup for any environment. The sky isn't the limit, it's just the beginning. Plus, ExpressLRS is lightning fast, crazy low latency for racing and freestyle. We're talking sub-10 millisecond response times, giving you near-instant feedback and razor-sharp control. For racers and freestylers, that means tighter lines, faster reactions, and more confidence to push the limits. Whether you're threading needles in a bando or carving up a racetrack, ELRs gives you the edge you need to win. Of course, there's a trade-off. With great power comes great responsibility, and a bit more tinkering. ExpressLRS is incredibly flexible, but that means you'll spend more time dialing in your settings, updating firmware, and troubleshooting quirks. It's not always plug and play, especially if you're new to the hobby, but for those who love to experiment and optimize, the rewards are worth it. EELRS is a system that grows with you, adapting to your needs and ambitions. Enter Radiomaster Gemini, a bold attempt to blend the best of both worlds. Gemini is a dual-band receiver that automatically switches between 2.4 and 900 MHz, giving you the flexibility to adapt to any environment. In theory, it's the ultimate failsafe. If one band gets noisy, the other takes over. For pilots who want maximum reliability without sacrificing performance, Gemini is an intriguing option. It's like having two receivers in one, always ready for the unexpected. Cool idea, but it's not without its challenges. Gemini is still a bit buggy, especially when flying near powerful video transmitters like DJI. Interference can cause unexpected dropouts, and the auto-switching isn't always seamless. For now, Gemini is best suited for pilots who like to experiment and don't mind a few hiccups along the way. It's a promising technology, but it's still finding its footing in the fast-paced world of FPV. Speaking of video, let's talk about the king of HD, the DJI Air unit. If you crave crystal-clear visuals, immersive HD, and a seamless flying experience, DJI delivers. With up to 8 kilometers of range in ideal conditions, the Air unit gives you a front-row seat to every flight. The image quality is stunning, the latency is low, and the integration with DJI goggles is second to none. But there's a catch. When DJI drops signal, it drops hard. Total blackout, no warning, no gradual fade. It's all or nothing, so you need to plan your flights carefully and always keep an eye on your signal strength. Now let's talk about the up-and-comer, EdgeTX T3. This new system promises even more range, more features, and more flexibility than ever before. Built on open-source principles, EdgeTX T3 is designed for pilots who want to push the envelope and explore new frontiers. It's still early days and the technology is evolving rapidly, but the potential is huge. If you're the kind of pilot who loves to be on the cutting edge, EdgeTX T3 is worth a look. Just be prepared for a bit of a learning curve as the ecosystem matures. So, what's the verdict? For pure range, ELR's 900 MHz is the wild card. It's the system that's breaking records, turning heads, and inspiring a new generation of long-range pilots. If you want to go farther than anyone else, ELRs is your ticket to adventure. Just remember, with great range comes great responsibility. Always fly within your limits, respect local regulations, and never lose sight of safety. For bulletproof reliability, Crossfire still wins. It's the system you reach for when you need absolute confidence, when you're flying over water, through dense forests, or in challenging RF environments. Crossfire's track record speaks for itself, and it's the reason so many pros refuse to fly anything else. If you value peace of mind above all else, Crossfire is your best friend. For HD video, DJI is still king, unless you're brave enough to try EdgeTX. The choice comes down to what matters most to you: ultimate clarity, maximum range, or rock-solid reliability. Each system has its strengths, and the best pilots know how to match their gear to their mission. Whether you're chasing cinematic shots, racing for glory, or exploring the unknown, there's a receiver out there that's perfect for you. So that's your signal: fly safe, fly far, and may your link never fail. Remember, the right receiver is more than just a piece of hardware. It's your connection to adventure, discovery, and the thrill of flight. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a world record chaser, invest in the best, learn your gear inside and out, and always respect the skies. The world is waiting. Go explore it, one flight at a time.